So to wrap up this first module where we're introducing the concept of IT Asset Lifecycle Management, let's talk about some common misconceptions about the practice. Misconception number 1, we have an inventory, so we have ITALM. No, having a list of assets is not the same as managing them over time. Misconception 2, we don't have enough assets to need ITALM. Even a small business benefits from tracking asset health, warranties, and costs. Misconception 3, ITALM is just for hardware. No, ITALM covers software licenses, cloud assets, and subscriptions as well. Misconception 4, our finance team handles this. ITALM isn't just finance. It requires IT, security, and procurement collaboration. So that's it for Module 1. Hopefully we've made it clear how this practice can help your business. In the next module, we'll talk about benchmarks and ITAM maturity assessments, where your organization stands, and how to improve.